Class 10 student of Wisdom Foundation Khangabok under Thoubal district died due to electrocution in the school boarding yesterday. The deceased has been identified as Muhammad Tariq Aziz, alias scientist, age 15, son of Muhammad Zamaruddin from Yaribok Tulihal Konjen Lekai. Irate locals stormed the school boarding. Police had to use smoke bombs to disperse the people. General Manager of North East Frontier Railway N.K. Prasad inaugurated the railway tunnel number 7 along Tupul Imphal Road, constructed under North East Frontier Railway. Prasad assured that train will arrive Manipur by 2023. Around 70% of the railway construction has been completed. Manpeg, along with 88 organizations, announced their decisions during their meeting at Amuko office yesterday. Manpeg reaffirmed their stand against CAB and will continue their protest for the consolidation phase in the Northeast. Manpeg welcomed the invitation by CM Biren to discuss citizenship bill. Civil society organization also announced their support for Manpeg. Manipur film actor and representative of Dubai Tengbanglub G. Boni extended help to Thokchom Menjor of Khongjom Leibung Lekai. Boni said that the government must work for the welfare of the downtrodden people.